Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up Facebook Pixel on WooCommerce. Let's get started. There is a do that you just need to head over right here to Business Manager in Meta, and you should be redirected to this page right here. Now, from in here, what we can do is we can head over and then just click on this All Tools, and then click on the search and search in here for Events Manager. And then once I click on that, it will open this new tab right here. So you can see this. Just click on this, connect data sources, and then it will open a new window that will help you connect some data sources all over the internet. Now you can see this up here. Click on this web right here and click on connect. And then just put in here the name. So let's just name this WooCommerce or just Woo. And click on create right here. So it doesn't matter because this is just a name for your data set. And just put in here your website URL. So I have in here my website. So here's my website right here. I just need to click on this URL that I have and then paste it right here. Now click on check and then click on next. And then you can put in here a setup. You can actually do it yourself. You can also get the guidance and they will recommend setup method that aligns with the technical resources you have available. And click on this do it yourself if you want and click on next. And you can choose in here if you want to actually integrate MetaPixel and Conversions API or only MetaPixel only. So click on this one or just choose which ones you want to use and click on next right here. And you can install code manually using the guided installation or instruction that they have. And you can also use this partner integrations if your website is eligible for integration. So you can choose which one is actually recommended for you. If you click on this check partner, you should be able to see in here this. Now, in here, you can see this. We have in here a WooCommerce, so that's good. So click on WooCommerce, and then from in there, this will load again, and then you just need to download the plugin. So let's click on this download, and then this will download the plugin right here from there. Once you have downloaded it, click on next, and you can install this plugin right there using these options. Let's head over to our menu. And then let's look for plugins. Here's plugin. Click on this add new plugin right here. And then from in there, this will load into this case right there. Now in here, click on this upload. And then let's click on this right here in order to locate the file that we have just downloaded, which is this Facebook for WooCommerce. Click on open. And then as you can see, this will upload the plugin and this will install it for us. Once you're done with that, click on next, and you just need to activate the plugin that you have. And once you're done with that, you can also connect to Facebook using that. Now in here under the marketing, you should be able to see in here Facebook. So just head over and click on that. And then from in there, you should be able to see Facebook for WooCommerce. Click on this get started right here in order to grow your business on Facebook with WooCommerce help. So just head over and log into your Facebook account that you use for this case. So let's just head over to log in, click on next, and then continue with the settings. And then this will install or set up the Facebook Pixel on WooCommerce once it's done in here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.